Look at this, guys. Look. Look at this. She wanted to follow me up here. I know, you like the head scratches. Now, this started happening yesterday. I know. And Lily is letting me pet her. And she loves the head scratches. I know, but look. We got to get over there and feed the kitties. Aren't you hungry? Oh, you like those head scratches, don't you? You like those head scratches. I can't bend over too much. My rib is still hurting so bad. I can't believe I did that, hurt my rib like that. Okay. I know. Well, look. Let's go. Let's go. Here. I know you want... Can you stop moving around? Can you stop? Oh, my goodness. Look at this, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. She's still kind of scary, but she likes her head scratches. She likes her head scratches, huh? Does that feel good? Okay, let's get over there. Let's go. You don't know how bad it hurts my rib. Okay, now look. I can't just sit here and pet you all day. All right? Let's go. Don't you... I know, you're going to hit my leg like you did yesterday when I tried to keep walking. Do you want to go eat or not? You want to go eat? Say no. You just scratched my head. Okay. Look. Let's go feed. Let's go eat. I know. You're such a little girl. Yes, you are. You're such a little girl. Yeah. I'm so glad you let me pet you, but I can't sit here and pet you all day. I would if you came into the house. Mm-hmm. I know. Remy saw you from the balcony. She started meowing. He was watching you. He likes you. You like Remy too? Yeah, you'll make a good indoor kitty. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. What you got in your fur? Okay, look. Can we go eat now? Can we go eat now? Come on. Come on. You got some treats? You eat your treats? Look. It's Lily. It's Lily. Come see Lily. Yeah, it's Lily. Lily, come say hi to Remy. Say hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Say hi. Why are you going that way? Where'd he go? Come here, Lily. Come here, Lily. Come here. You want to lay right there? You want me to pet? I put some water out for you. Just drink some water right before you go, because I can't leave it out there. You see Remy? What you doing, Remy? I know, he's making his eyes glow the light. Hers too. You see Remy? You don't want me to pet you now? You kept blocking my way and hitting me when I stopped. Now you don't want me to pet? Because it's when neighbors come around that I avoid. Because I don't need them complaining I got a cat hanging around outside. You tired? She's sleepy. Remy, she's sleepy girl. Come here, Remy. Where are you? Uh-oh. She's right there. You're looking. Come here, Lily. What you doing, Lily? She was just drinking water, but my camera cut off. And I didn't get it. And no, you can't go out there. You're not allowed to go out there. You sit right here, okay? Oh, why you hiss at me? Oh, wow, I didn't even know. That's the first time he's hissed at me. Are you mad 'cause Mama pet another cat? Come here, Remy. Are you mad at Mama? Okay, well, I'll get that water in a minute. Are you mad at Mama? He didn't put his claws out. Why you hiss at Mama? 'Cause I wouldn't let you go out? Well, you can't go out. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Are you mad at Mama? Are you mad at Mama? All right. Huh? What is it? You upset 'cause Mama didn't let you go out there? Well, you can't go out front. I'm sorry, you can't. She's an outside kitty, you're not. Let me get between y'all. Look who's in the house, y'all. Look who's in the house, y'all. I don't know how this is going to go. I'm nervous now. Oh, look who's in the house, y'all. Remy, be nice. Oh, gee. Uh-oh. Okay, now this is getting... Okay. I want to put... Okay, she's hissing. Remy's not. Okay, you gonna go out? Okay. That makes me nervous. First time that he didn't hiss at her, but she hissed at him. Okay, let her come in a little bit at a time, day by day, and we'll see what happens. Now, see how he reacts after she came in. You want her to come in?